Hello everyone. Today I am going to share 10 cool idioms you can actually use in school to sound smarter and more confident. Break the ice. It means to start a conversation in a shy or awkward situation. You can use this when meeting new classmates or teachers. For example, I told a joke to break the ice when I joined a new class. Next one, hit the books. It means to study hard. It's perfect when you tell your friends you are seriously studying. For example, I need to hit the books before my exams this week. Next one, call it a day. It means to stop working on something. You can use this when your homework or project is finally done. For example, after finishing our project, we decided to call it a day. Next one, pull someone's leg. It means to joke or tease someone. Use this to make your friends laugh in a fun way. For example, my friend said he was late because a tiger blocked the road. He was just pulling my leg. Next one, a piece of cake. It means something very easy. It's great when you want to tell everyone something was simple. For example, that science test was a piece of cake. In hot water, it means being in trouble. You can use this when you want to explain you are in a tricky situation. For example, I was in hot water for forgetting my homework or project. On cloud 9, it means extremely happy. It's perfect for sharing your happy moments with friends or family. For example, I was on cloud 9 when I got an A plus on my project. Get cold feet. It means to become nervous about doing something. You can use this when you feel nervous about exams, performances, or presentations. For example, I got cold feet before giving my speech in front of the class. Break a leg. It's a fun way to say good luck. You can use this to wish friends success in tests or events. For example, break a leg in your school play tonight. The ball is in your court. It means it's your decision or responsibility. It's perfect when you want to let someone know it is their turn to act. For example, I have done my part, now the ball is in your court. So, these 10 idioms you can start using in school today. Which one is your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like and